In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a frame in Miro. Frames are the backbone of a clear, organized Miro board. They act like containers that hold your ideas together, make collaboration easier, and can even become slides when you present your work. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can build clean, structured boards with confidence. First, open your Miro board from the dashboard. Choose the board where you want to work and give it a moment to load. If your board is busy with content, it can help to zoom out slightly so you can see the area where you plan to add a frame. Next, select the frame tool. You'll find it on the left toolbar as a rectangle icon. If you prefer shortcuts, press the F key on your keyboard. You'll notice your cursor switch to indicate you're ready to draw a frame, and a small menu of preset options will appear. You can choose a frame style if it fits your workflow, or stick with a blank frame. Miro offers presets like blank, Kanban, mind map, and presentation slide. If you already know you want to structure tasks, Kanban can save time. If you're brainstorming, mind map gives you a head start. And if you're preparing a slide deck, the presentation preset keeps dimensions tidy. Optional presets just set the frame size and labels. You can always adjust later. Now draw the frame on your board. Click and drag on the canvas to define the size. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. You can resize it after. If you're working at a high zoom level, drag a bit larger than you think. You can fine-tune once the frame is placed. With the frame created, start adding content inside it. Drag sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, or images into the frame. Anything placed inside stays grouped visually, which makes your board easier to scan. Frames are especially helpful for turning sections of your board into a clean sequence for presenting, since each frame can serve as a slide. Finally, move or resize the frame as needed. Click the frame to select it, then drag to reposition it on the canvas. Use the handles on the edges or corners to scale it up or down. As you move or resize, the content inside travels with the frame, so your layout stays intact. Adjust until the frame neatly surrounds your materials without crowding them. That's all there is to it. Open your board, select the frame tool, choose a style if helpful, draw the frame, add your content, and adjust the size or position. With a few frames in place, your Miro board will look cleaner, read better, and be presentation ready.